Hey there! So I'm going to be showing you how to edit your Canva Instagram template. As soon as you download your files, you're going to click on the template PDF and then click or copy paste this link into a browser. And then if you haven't created a Canva account, you will need to do that. You can use the free version of Canva, so no need to worry about getting the pro version. And then you're going to click Use Template. Alright, so here on the bottom right of the screen, you'll see this grid view. If you click on here, then you could see the whole template. And this way it's really easy to choose which template you want to work on. And just so you know, these 10 images at the end, these are stock images that you can use, and you can kind of put them in between the other templates that are included so that your feed can look just a little bit more aesthetic, so it's not just all text on there, in case you don't have any photos that you have taken yourself. So let's get to the template. Let's go here. So to edit the text, you just click on the text and type over it. Let's see, let's make products cursive. To make text bigger, you could either use this increase font size here, like this, or you can take the corner, this circle corner here, and just drag it out like that. To change the image, it's really easy. You can use the uploads and just upload your media. You could also connect it to an account. There's also, if you go to Elements, Photos, and there's free photos that you can use. So here you can only use these photos if you have Canva Pro, but they do have free stock images. You just gotta keep scrolling. There you go. So you just take the image, you drag it on top of the image you want to replace, and there you go. Really easy. You're welcome to move these around if you want to kind of change up the layout a bit. If you want to turn anything, if you click on an object, let go, then you see this little button here. You can just turn it to however degree you want. You can change color up here, text color. You can do any of the document colors, or you can create your own colors. You can do the hex code. Canva does this cool thing where it pulls colors from the photos. There's a lot of text elements up here. You can make things italic. If you need to undo anything, it's just this button here, or you can do Command Z. There's this great tool, this position tool. So let's say we want these just perfectly aligned to the left. Let's say this is there. So you're going to just select these two, go to position, and then align left. I also like using that tool to make things align to the center. You can also lock things up here if you keep touching it and it keeps moving, or if you like that particular spot, then you can just lock that element there. And then to download, you're just going to go up here. PNG is fine. Go here and then just select the page. So right here it says page 8. Done. download, and there's your post ready for Instagram. There's a lot of fun things you can do on Canva if you want to just mess around. Just click. You can like edit the image. You can get rid of the background, brightness. You can just play with these. A lot of things you can do. But that's pretty much it, just for the basics, to change the font, move things around on the template, download, and change the color. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in this template, there is a link in the description. Bye.